Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my Angular course. In the previous video, we have learned about the RxJS operators. So we have understood how to use the operators in the observable. RxJS observable we have seen. And you can have a doubt that can we apply only one operator for this one? No, we can apply multiple operators to the observables. So we will see how to apply multiple operators to the observable. Here I have applied only one operator map. Map what it will do? It will manipulate the data whatever the raw data coming from the observable. It will manipulate the data and it will send it to the subscribe. Here we are doing data plus 1. That means we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3 like this we are getting. And now we are manipulating the data so that the count will always be count is 1, count is 2, count is 3, count is 4 you are getting. Now we will add another operator here, nothing but you need to, if you want to apply multiple operators in this pipe only, you need to add it with the comma. Okay, so filter of, so filter is another operator which what it will do is it will filter the data. So whatever the observable data you are getting, so first it will filter that one. So the filter will send only return true. If it returns true only, the data will be passed to the next operator. That means the data will be passed to the map operator. So that means data. Okay, here I will be getting the data, and here what I will try to do is if data is greater than 0 only, then return true. So that means the first observable, the first time observable will be sending 0, that means it will not send anything. So that means the data will be skipped here. So what it will happen here, what is the what the thing is happening here? If you see the output here, you will be able to see that here the count will be is 2, count is 3, count is 4, like this you are getting, see. So that means what it is happening here, the observable is sending the data. First it will go to the filter and filter of data. So first the observable is sending the count is 0 it will be sending. So filter the 0 will go to the filter what it will do is data is greater than 0. Yeah, it is not greater than 0, it is equal to 0. So that means it will not return true, so it will not go down. Okay, the data is skipped. Again the 1 will be passed to filter. Again it will see that data is 1 is greater than 0. Yeah, it returns true. Then that data is passed, the same data is passed to the map here. Okay, data now 1 is passed here, and here what is doing, count is 1 plus 1 2. So for that reason the count we are getting first as 2. Okay, you will be able to observe now. Okay, now what can we do here? So we can skip off this data plus 1, so that now the data will be correct. You see here the output. So how you will be getting the output, count is 1, count is 2, count is 3, like this you will be able. Okay, so all these filters and maps, those all things will be imported from the RxJS operators only. So in this way you will be adding multiple operators in the RxJS observables. Filter of data, and you can add map of data, and you can go off something like this. Take means it will take only the observable, it will take skip while, skip until. You'll be having lot of RxJS operators. So if you go on telling these all RxJS operators, it will take a bunch of videos. So we will have a separate operator things when we have a time or something like this. So when we cover all the major topics and all things, then we will see about these RxJS, all the operators you'll see. But if you want to know, so here is the major things, filter, map and all those things. So if you want to know more about these operators and all the what are the operators present in the RxJS, you can read this website RxJS, and you can go to the introduction. So here if you open, so now you will be, if you understand my RxJS videos, so last 4 videos if you understand, you will be able to now you will be able to understand this, what I can say, this website. Now if you read, so here observables, we have seen about the observables. So observable, new observable, so this will be a little bit of different. So we have written something like observable dot create, and subscriber is nothing but the observer, and here dot next we are seeing, see, so he is sending the data 1 2 3, and he is sending the data. So observable dot complete means we have already seen. Observable dot complete means we have said that that observable is completed. So here you will be able to see the thing. Okay, so now I think you will be able to understand this observable if you understand. Okay, observable we have created like this. You can create using new observable, or also you can create with the observable dot create. This is the old concept and all this. This is the new concept. Okay, so okay, fine. Now you can go to the observer. Okay, observer is nothing but what I can say is dot subscribe. So observable dot subscribe, we have seen that dot subscribe thing also. And if you see here observable, so next error, how to catch this one, next error and complete we can see. Okay, so this one also we have covered. And now we have covered these observables and observers. Okay, we have covered now the operators also. The operators is nothing but what you can see is these are the flavors features present in the RxJS. So here we have seen the map operator. Okay, and also we have seen first means it will take the first one only. Okay, first subscription only. Okay, these are all the things you will be having. Pipe means the pipe adding the operators. So like this you will be able to add the operator. Operator 1, operator. We have applied filter map, right? 2 operators we have applied. So now here you have seen the interval observable also. So here they are saying how to add an operators here. Here they are adding. So map and all those things they are using. Okay, so these are the operators. If you want to learn more about the operators, so what are the operators present means? So here you will be able to see the operators. See interval. These are all the operators. Okay, off means it will create an empty observable. It will create an observable. These are all creating observables. These all will create observables. And here these are the merging and all those things. These are all merging the data and all those things. These are operators. Transform operators. So here you have seen the map. Transform is transforming the data. So map will change the data. Whatever the data coming from the observable, it is changing. So data, the observable, the data is sending is 0, 1, 2, 3. And the data what we are doing in the map is count is 0, count is 1, count. We are changing the data. So these are all transforming the data. Plug means it will take the data and all those things. This all comes like this only. Okay. Now we can go filtering. Filtering operator means it will filter the data. It will not manipulate the data. It will just filter the data. Whatever the data to go and whatever the data to come. Okay. Whatever the data to ignore. Skip file, skip stars. Most of the things we'll be using filter, first, last, skip and all those things only we'll be using. So while we are doing authentication in Angular and all those things, we will be going to see more operators, these operators. Okay. So these are all the operators. If you want to know more about these operators, you can refer this RxJS guide. Okay, so now we have learned what is observable, now what is an observer, and also what are the operators and how we have to apply the multiple operators also we have seen. So this is the all complete concept of the RxJS operators and also the RxJS observables. So in this way only we will be using in all Angular concept the observables concept. And another concept what is remaining is the subject. Okay, this is the subject. Subscription also we have seen. What is subscription? Subscription is nothing but when to subscribe and when to unsubscribe. Okay, unsubscribe. So these are the subscriptions. Okay, so now we need to learn about this subject. So okay, in the next video we will learn about the subject concept so that you will be able to understand all the RxJS concept, important concepts present in the RxJS. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.